Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to look for services on the Fiverr application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then go to your home page by tapping on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Here you can find the popular services section at the top, and if you want to check out all of the items this category includes, click on the See All button on the right side of the screen, and at the top you can select categories, and here you can find a bunch of categories that you can choose from, such as graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, and so on. Click on the relevant one that you might find interesting, and within a particular category you can find other subcategories such as articles, blog posts, translation, localization, proofreading, editing. So click on the one subcategory that you want to check out, and here you can find the services. If you are interested in any of these, you can tap on it, but you have the chance to apply additional filters that will narrow down your search. Here you can tap on all, and here you have the filters such as show pro gigs first, seller is currently online, recommended, best-selling, new arrivals, and so on. Then click on the apply button and then your filters will be applied. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.